Hey guys, Weed Grown Indoors tuning in. Just finished unboxing a brand new grow light. And I wanted to show you guys what I got. And here we have it. A brand new Viparspectra XS1000. Pretty sleek looking light. Runs at 120 true watts. It's got Samsung diodes, Meanwhile driver. Came with some Viparspectra swag, owner's manual, as well as a customer service booklet in case you're not happy. Easy way to contact them. I'm sure you'll be happy. It looks like a very good light. In this nice box here, you got all your goodies to hang up the light, ratchet straps, as well as some hooks and carabiners, and your power cord. Now, I will be comparing this light versus the Spider Farmer SF1000, as they're only 20 watts difference. Everything else is pretty much the same. From the first visual, I can tell that this has a little bit more diodes. This has less, so I want to say this one's going to run a little bit more efficiently. I'll flip it over to the other side to give you guys a better look. And there is a Meanwhile driver, as I was saying. Nice heatsink. And down here you got your dimmer switch. The only other side note I can see between the wattage is this one is not waterproof. This one claims to be, but I do not believe any LED light is truly waterproof. Now the other side of this one, same thing. As you can see, it's going to be a great comparison video. What I'll be growing for the comparison is Grapefruit Kush Autoflower by the Bees, Knees, and Seeds. Brand new company. Started on 420. Pretty sweet. Check them out. Check out this grow light here. I'll leave a link in the description for that. This is the Viparspectra XS1000. And stay tuned for the future videos. There'll be weekly updates on the plant growth between these two lights. Thanks for tuning in, everybody, and happy growing.